I'm excited to share with you 4 new ways Domino enables building and operating AI quickly. The AI Project Hub accelerates getting started with enterprise-ready AI. Code Assist for foundation models makes fine-tuning foundation models as easy as AutoML. Experiment Manager and automated hyperparameter tuning help you get the best models possible. I'm going to show you how our new AI Hub accelerates building enterprise-ready AI. Imagine I'm a health insurance company and I want to make a chatbot to answer questions for customers about their coverage and plans. ChatGPT gives me a good start, but to get great results, it needs to know more about our customers and our business, and I don't want to send all my internal data to OpenAI. The new AI Project Hub enables quickly building AI applications from pre-built solutions curated from the best of open source that are enterprise-ready. To build our chatbot, select the Enterprise Q&A template. Click Create Project, give it a name, and click Create. My project comes out of the box with a set of scripts, notebooks, and software packages that give me everything I need to implement a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation. Here in the Jupyter Notebook, you can see how this works. This would normally require several complex steps involving an ETL process to fetch and convert your internal documents into embeddings, store them and implement a similarity search in a vector store, and then augment each chat with those search results without divulging your sensitive data. This project comes set up with everything you need: pre-installed tools like LangChain, right-size hardware, LLM access, a local vector store, and even provides a few parameters in which you can easily update the path to your data files and your vector store database. You can provide additional input parameters to control how your chatbot behaves for responsible AI safety to prevent harms and hallucinations. This can control how your bot behaves by providing background context and ensuring the bot doesn't generate any offensive or inappropriate content. Then I just need to initialize my vector store database, load the data into the database, and then test my app. This queries both the local vector store database as well as the large language model enriched with the search results, all from my notebook. This template also came with the Streamlit web app, and using Domino's integrated web app publishing, this makes it really easy to test out the bot. It's really awesome to get so much done so quickly. Now let's consider a more complex use case where I need more sophisticated techniques. The stakes are high when using AI for investment decisions like sentiment analysis on financial news. I'll start with the foundation model, but I'll fine-tune it so it has context from recent world events and uses proprietary data for an investing edge. We've created an integrated experience that empowers everyone to use the same powerful tools OpenAI and the tech giants use. I'm going to show you how Domino makes fine-tuning foundation models as easy as running AutoML. Domino Code Assist is our Jupyter plugin that generates code to accelerate productivity for common data science tasks like data access, transformation, and visualization. Now it can generate code to access and fine-tune foundation models. There are 3 simple steps. First, you need to choose a foundation model from a list based on common tasks. It's easy to make an informed choice with all the details you need readily available. I'm going to use Finbert, a foundation model for sentiment analysis on financial news. Finbert was trained on 4.9 billion tokens of corporate reports, earnings call transcripts, and analyst reports. However, I'm going to fine-tune it with additional data collected over the past few months from industries I'm focused on to ensure it performs optimally for my needs. By clicking Fine-Tune, I can perform the second necessary step to choose my data. Domino Code Assist make it easy to find and select your data and connect to it, and map it to the inputs required for the fine-tuning job. Third, I can click Run. This will insert the code, which is great because it's transparent and modifiable, not a black box. It also facilitates collaboration between different types of talent on your team. The less technical folks can start work that the more expert data scientists can review or refine. And I did all this without leaving my workspace. While this is running, notice that Code Assist even generated the code necessary to log key experiment metrics and track them using our new experiment manager powered by MLflow. This makes it easy directly from the notebook to be able to track how well the experiment is going. Let's take a look. Experiment Manager enables automatically logging key metrics and artifacts during model training to monitor the progress of AI experiments, including model training and fine-tuning. You can also compare different runs to select the best model. And unlike the open source ML flow, we've even added enterprise security to ensure only approved personnel are allowed to see metrics, logs, and artifacts. As you drill into a specific run, you can see that Experiment Manager is tightly integrated with Domino's reproducibility engine to automatically track the full lineage of which version of your code, data, tools, environment, and more, the full set of materials you need to reproduce experiment results. As we drill into the details further, we can see that my experiment did okay, but not great. To improve my model's performance, I'm going to try hyperparameter tuning. Code Assist also generates the code necessary to automate the hyperparameter tuning. Powered by the latest innovations in open source, Domino has integrated Ray with built-in native optimizations for large language models to automatically scale out, on demand, and get done in hours what otherwise may have taken weeks. This tuning task is going to run a lot of jobs in parallel. To save time and money, I'm going to run this in my on-premise NVIDIA GPU cluster, which always has the capacity I need, and is much cheaper. Domino is the only platform that supports orchestrating workloads across hybrid multi-cloud infrastructure. I'm going to configure this on-premise cluster to use the right number of machines for the job, leveraging my on-premise DGX SuperPod the most efficiently possible. And because the metrics are streamed back to the Experiment Manager from the on-prem GPUs, Domino provides a single pane of glass to monitor experiments regardless of whether they're running on-premise or in any cloud. We can see now we have a significantly better performing model. As you can see, Domino is the only AI platform that seamlessly integrates the best innovations in the ecosystem which power the generative AI revolution to enable enterprises to build and operate AI quickly.